Hey, Christopher Holmes here again with Scottsdale Mortgage Advisors. In this video, we're going to talk about getting pre-approved. In a previous video, we talked about the pre-qualification process or getting pre-qualified. Now we're going to talk about the next step is getting pre-approved. And what that means is typically and hopefully your loan officer has given you the option of a formal one-on-one sit down, what I call a mortgage planning session. With a mortgage planning session, you'll have completed an application, typically online or over the phone. The credit report will have been pulled by the loan officer, and they'll be prepared to go over that with you, literally line by line. They'll have asked you for your paycheck stubs, your bank statements, your W-2s, maybe your tax returns if you're self-employed, or maybe you have a rental property or some other income that isn't your typical W-2 income. And then with that documentation, sit down with you for 45 minutes to an hour and go over the application in detail, line by line, to make sure that the data is correct. Then they'll go over the bank statements with you to make sure that the money that you have in the bank is enough to cover both the down payment and the closing costs. I have another video where we're going to talk about closing costs separate than the down payment. But paycheck stubs, W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, the goal here is to analyze all of that data, including the credit report, to make sure that you truly are qualified for the home that you want to buy. For the next video, where we're going to talk about the actual home loan approval, stay tuned.